Shailesh Moore, Infineon Technologies, mit seiner Idee zu sichererem Radfahren. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you perfectly okay.
Perfect. Then I share my screen shortly. Okay, so you should be
Screen
able
is-
to see my screen now.
Yeah, it's visible. Perfect.
Okay, so as first of all, thanks a lot for this opportunity, and also thanks to Rafael for introducing me to this community. Very interesting talks I heard since I started attending this event. So today I'm going to present about a bicycle blind spot detector using Infineon radar sensor. And this was a small prototype which we made during Infineon Mechathon event. So at Infineon, we have from time to time something called as a Mechathon event, which is a hackathon event. So for 24 hours, we get a time to collaborate with people from different departments and use Infineon products to develop an idea. So it can be a very basic idea, like not working fully functional, but a small prototype which we can then present later to the jury, and then we have prize system. So it's a nice way a way of Infineon to collect ideas and basically promote collaboration. So that's the team. So we are from different departments. So I work for automotive microcontrollers as a functional safety engineer, and we have also then in our team experts from radar sensor group who supported us with this application. So the motivation behind doing this blind spot detector for bicycle is quite clear, because there are increasing number of bicycle accidents, not only in Germany, but also in Austria and overall. And this was also a topic from Salzburg Research, why they want to promote this, this research on safe cycling. And I think this topic fits very well to this research, that using radar sensors from Infineon to make bicycle ride quite safe. There are some alternative solutions already available in the market. For example, as you see on this slide from Garmin, there's this radar sensor for bicycle which came into market, I think 2 years back, or maybe 1 year back. But the price, as you can see, it's 347 euros. It's quite high still. And what we wanted to build is this prototype using Infineon demo boards, which any of you who is interested could order it online, and then which is not so expensive, and make their own application, maybe not so sophisticated as Garmin offers here, but maybe a simple one. So play around and build something on your own for your own bike. With this prototype, we won the second prize during this Mechathon, which was held in 2020. And we have also this idea posted on this Hackster.io page, which is quite popular in maker community. And their Infineon team has a account, and there we have published different ideas, and one of them is this blind spot detector idea. So if anybody who is interested can go there and learn the hardware that we used, and also get the basic software package from there, and then they can further build on it and make it more more accurate or more sensitive. So basically what this thing is that at the back of the bicycle, you can implement this radar system that we developed, and it works on a battery. And then it can send you information via your phone to your cell phone, where it can vibrate. Or as Salzburg Research is research, they are working on this wearables. So maybe there's a hand glove which will vibrate if there's a car coming from behind. Or we can also implement some LEDs. So in our demo, we had implemented a small LED in front of the bicycle, but it could also be on a helmet, so that the user doesn't have to always look down, but he can always see in front of his helmet that somebody is coming from behind. And this is the hardware that we use. So this is a demo board which Infineon offers, which can be ordered online. So currently this is not so cheap, because it comes with the processor, Infineon XMC processor, and also this radar shield. So this is the basic radar IC and the antennas which are inbuilt on this chip. This board actually comes with this processor, but we didn't use this. We use Arduino board for interfacing and taking the data from this radar sensor. So yeah, but basically this can be ordered online. And what features this has is, as I said, it has this processor, XMC processor. It has the radar shield, so including antenna and the radar IC, and together it's called Sense2Go Pulse. And what it can detect is the motion, the speed, and the direction of movement. and the distance. So direction of movement is important because we want to detect only the cars which are approaching. We don't want to detect cars which are stationary and departing. And also it can detect speed. So if somebody is coming very fast, then it can give a different indication compared to if somebody is coming very slow. And also motion, as I said, we don't want to detect stationary. And this is done using this pulse Doppler effect, which is quite popular in radar sensors. And additionally, the distance can be detected using advanced processing, which is a STEP FMCW. So these are some basic features for this chip, which you can go through. But basically, the thing comes with 18 meters range. It's very low power, so suitable for bicycle application, and can be powered with a battery. So basically, that was the idea. So this is a radar sensor. It can be configured with this Blink server, and then so without using internet, then this radar can send information to your mobile, and from mobile it can go to a wearable sensor or a hand a watch or something like that. So it can vibrate. Yeah, that is it basically. So this was the small demo that we made. So it was functional, but of course there can be a lot of improvements done on it. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Shailesh Moore from Infineon Technologies, a prototype for safer cycling based on the radar chip of Infineon.